A big day in the sphere of South Dakota elections. Attorney General candidate Marty Jackley and Governor Kristi Noem have agreed to endorse each other. The two ran a hard-nosed campaign against each other in 2018, but now appear to be allies heading into the 2022 election season. State House reporter Austin Goss spoke to Jackley today. He joins us now from Pierre with the latest on this story. Austin, good evening.
Good evening, Brian and Andrea. The mutual endorsement by the two candidates running for statewide office in 2022 came as a surprise to many running in South Dakota political circles. But when I talked to Jackley today, he said it's a natural extension of the relationship that he's built with the governor over the course of the last couple years. It's been almost exactly a year since Jackley decided he wanted his old job back and that he would be primarying current Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg, whose tenure has been marred by controversy since he struck and killed pedestrian Joe Beaver in September 2020.
I was blessed to serve as South Dakota's Attorney General for a decade. And my hope is, that I would like to continue that strong work ethic that I had.
But for those following South Dakota politics, the mutual endorsement comes as a surprise. During their 2018 gubernatorial race against each other, Jackley and Noem ran a bruising campaign. But from Jackley's perspective, he says that the endorsement Thursday was a natural extension of the relationship that they have developed over the years.
After the primary we had together, I had endorsed her. Numerous times we've had an opportunity to talk, even one time when I was arguing a case in front of the South Dakota Supreme Court. So we've had a continuing conversation, and we've arrived at, I think, a situation where both of us are supporting each other. We feel that that makes sense. And I think overall, South Dakota wants to see their elected officials working together.
Now they are united by a common political opponent in Ravnsborg. Noem has been very vocal in her calls for him to step down following the crash, saying in a statement Thursday, quote, "South Dakotans need an Attorney General that believes in the Constitution, has the confidence of law enforcement and the legal community, and understands the law. When any of these are lacking, our entire state feels the effect." The endorsement could help ease tensions that still exist between factions of the Republican Party. Following their 2018 campaign, Noem went on to lose Republican stronghold Hughes County, Jackley's home county.
The Lincoln Day dinner circuit really begins next week. It's more of a timing situation with both campaigns. We'll be making a lot of joint appearances together, so the timing just simply made sense.
Now, I reached out to Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg today, who has been reaching out to voting delegates about running again in 2022 to see if he had a response, and did not receive a response. Live in Pierre, Austin Goss, Dakota News Now.